How to import travel plans to TripIt. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can import travel plans to TripIt. So there are two ways, the automatic way and then the manual way. The manual way is by manually adding your travel plans to your trip on TripIt. And how is the manual way? Log into your TripIt account and select the trip that you'd like to add your travel plans to. And so once you're on the trip page, as you can see on my trip page, you can see a number of plans such as car rental, cruise, journaling, and accommodation, which is hotel reservation. So you can add these plans by moving to the bottom right corner and click on the plus icon. And here you see the different categories of plans that you can have during your trip. So go ahead and add the one that you want. For example, if it's an activity, just click on the activity icon and then on the activity page, enter in details about the activity, then move to the top right corner, click on the save icon, and then the activity will be saved as a travel plan to your trip. Okay, so this is how you can do it manually. Then for the automatic way, as soon as you book a flight, a hotel, car rental, or any other reservation, just forward the cost and the confirmation email to plans@tripit.com. So you can just go to your email and then forward. For example, if this is the message, you can just forward this to um plans at plans at tripit.com. And then once you've done that, TripIt will automatically add it to your trip for you. So that is how easily you can import travel plans to your TripIt account. So thank you for watching and have a good day.